equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Pro-13IKB and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular shape with a connector attached. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, to unlock the battery code, you will need to disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Gently pull the connector away from the socket. If you're unsure about this step, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. After disconnecting the battery, look for a small label or sticker on the battery itself. This label usually contains the battery code. Take a moment to note this down, as it may be required for future reference or repairs. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once you have the battery code, reconnect the battery to the motherboard by aligning the connector and pressing it back into place. Ensure it's secure to avoid any power issues. Finally, replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Pro-13IKB and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are here to help you with any technical problems you may face. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.